Congratulations on purchasing the Accumist. This video will show you how to install your new accessory. The Accumist comes with all you need in its box. Let's get everything out so we know that we have all the correct parts. Here we have the instructions, the mounting tabs and spare wicks, the silicone mat, and the Accumist itself. If you turn your IncuView over, you will notice 3 raised squares on the underneath side of your incubator. These are the mounting pads that your wire mounts will attach to. Here is an illustration of these raised squares. Please remove the protective film from the wire mounts and place them in the direction displayed on the screen. Now that the wire mounts are in place, begin routing the Accumist power cord through the mounts. If done correctly, this will securely fasten the power cord to the underside of your incubator. Now we're going to mount the Accumist into the IncuView 3's water port, making sure that you hear the Accumist snap into place. Add distilled water to your IncuView's water reservoir. Using non-distilled water will reduce the life of the Accumist's components and may leave a film on the inside of your incubator. Next, remove the egg turner and mesh floor from your incubator. Unroll the silicone mat and remove its protective cover. Insert the silicone mat with the curve facing downwards. Once this is finished, replace the mesh floor and egg turner. In order for your Accumist to work properly, it will need at least 10 minutes to let the wick saturate with water. Now that everything is ready to go, let's get the humidity set point to the correct level. To do this, press the minus button to scroll down. Then press enter again to access the settings menu. Scroll down until you see the option Set Humidity, then press enter. From here, you will be able to set the humidity level to your desired level. Once you have set your humidity level, press enter to save the set point. The only thing that's left to do now is plug your Accumist into the IncuView 3's humidity port. Please note that your Accumist will only begin operating if it senses a lower humidity level than the set humidity level. You can tell if your Accumist is working by using the red light as a guide. Once that red light turns on, you should see the humidity reading on your IncuView's humidity level increasing until it reaches the set point. Once the set point is reached, the Accumist will turn off and turn back on when the humidity level falls 2 points below that set point. In order to keep your Accumist working, keep the water level above the first level. You may do this manually or use the aqua tank, sold separately, to reduce the frequency of refilling. To keep the Accumist working at maximum capacity, the wick may need to be replaced every 2 to 3 hatches. No worries, changing out the wick is easy. Unplug your Accumist. Remove your Accumist from the incubator. Open the right side of the Accumist by separating this tab. Remove the current wick and replace it using the same orientation. Snap the Accumist back together and insert it back into your incubator. Let your new Accumist wick set for 10 minutes to ensure that the wick is properly saturated with water. Then plug the power cord back in. If your red light is on, but your IncuView is not reaching the set humidity level, there are several solutions we can try. First, check the water level to ensure there's enough water. Ensure the lid is closed for a tight seal. Next, check the wick. It should be wet and clean. After that, check the disc. Hard water may build up on it. If so, gently clean it with baking soda and a small toothbrush. Be gentle with the wires as they can break easily. A blinking light indicates there is a short in the board and it will need to be replaced. If you start to notice a layer of film inside your incubator, then it will need to be wiped off with a damp cloth. Please ensure that you are using distilled water to prevent this future buildup.